What are the differences between the free version and the Chat GPT Plus version? Well, in the paid version, you have access to Chat GPT 4. Chat GPT 4 is around 5 times faster than Chat GPT 3.5. Chat GPT is able to understand what's on this image. Of course, other tools can do this too, but Chat GPT is also capable of doing this. Okay, why is it important that Chat GPT can interpret images? Well, for example, you make a picture of your fridge. ChatGPT can recognize what's inside your fridge, and it can propose a recipe that you can make, and maybe you need one more ingredient, and ChatGPT can give you access to this ingredient by sharing a link and maybe where you can buy it even. So it sounds maybe futuristic, but that's a possibility of an image. In the ChatGPT Plus version, you also have access to 2 cool features. That is live web browsing. In this example, I go to a website, I say make a summarization and then create a video post about it. That's very nice. It's not possible in the free version. The other cool feature of ChatGPT are plugins. In this example, I use the Expedia plugins, which help me in assisting a business trip. So it finds me a cheap flight to Barcelona and a good hotel in Barceloneta, a neighborhood in Barcelona. If you'd like to learn more about these new features and new capabilities of the Plus version of ChatGPT, maybe it's interesting for you to follow the Masterclass AI, where I go more into depth about the capabilities of ChatGPT 4 and the live browsing and the plugins. If this is your cup of tea, then go to the link in the description of this video and inform yourself about the Masterclass AI.